Hi guys, JenJen here. Today I want to talk to you about how to manifest even when you don't believe in the law of assumption, you naughty people. How dare you not believe in something amazing? I'm just kidding. We all know how difficult it can be. If your heart wants it but your mind isn't quite cooperating, you're not getting on the same line, and you're not quite believing in the power of the law of assumption, law of attraction, any form of way to manifest, right? So today I want to talk to you about 7 simple steps that you can use to manifest even when you don't believe. Make sure you stick around though, because the last one, that's the real kicker. Number 1 is to educate yourself. Learn all you can about the law of assumption, manifestation. Read books, watch videos. I've got a lot of videos on this topic, so make sure you subscribe and watch all of my videos, because this is going to help you to understand the true principles behind the manifestation and how it can help you develop stronger beliefs and therefore be more effective. Number 2, start small. Rome wasn't built in a day. Begin by manifesting small little things that you don't have resistance towards. It could be something simple like finding a parking spot or receiving a phone call from a friend. I personally tend to find that I'm really good at anti-manifesting. When I think about someone I don't want to run into, for example, with my dog, because our dogs don't get along, 9 times out of 10 when I start thinking it, there they are. So that's putting a little bit of focus on a little bit of manifestation. It's not going to alter your life, but it's going to show you that it works, right? And this way, the process, the gradual belief in the process that you have is going to increase. And number 3, let's start about reflecting on past manifestations. So think about things that you've unknowingly manifested in the past, something you desired. Reflect on it and start believing, and then realize that your aligned action has brought about all of these actions or all of these manifestations. And this reflection is going to help you to recognize that manifestation is possible, and it's going to strengthen your belief in it. Okay, so number 4 is affirmations and visualization. Now, utilize positive affirmations and visualizations, and I'm going to make a video on this really soon. But all of these affirmations and visualizations are going to help strengthen your belief. And affirmations and positive statements are things like, I am a powerful manifester, or I effortlessly attract what I desire. And visualization involves creating vivid mental images of your desired outcome as if it's already happened. And engage in these practices. Do it on a daily basis to program yourself, your subconscious mind, and also to reinforce your belief in manifestation. Number 5, surround yourself with positive influences. Connect with individuals who have a strong belief in manifestation, for example. Join communities where you can discuss your experiences. Leave comments below this video and I'll get back to you. We can chat, right? This way you're going to learn from other people. And being around like-minded individuals is going to help you reinforce your belief and provide you with encouragement. Okay, number 6, release all doubts and limiting beliefs. That's so much easier said than done, I know, but just test it out for a little while, okay? Start by identifying and challenging any doubts or limiting beliefs you may have about manifestation. Now, often these beliefs are rooted in fear, self-doubt, past negative experiences. So work on reframing these beliefs and replacing them with positive and empowering thoughts. Okay, number 7. This is the kicker, guys. Practice gratitude. Now, I don't get out of bed until I've said to myself, thank you, thank you, thank you, at least 3 times, and believed it, truly, truly believed it. And oftentimes I'll spend about 10 minutes just being grateful for everything, everyone, situations, objects, loves. I practice gratitude on a daily basis. This helps me to cultivate an attitude of gratitude and for whatever it is that you already have in your life. And by expressing that gratitude for your present circumstances and for the things that you've already manifested in the past, it's going to help you shift your focus from the lack of abundance, and it's going to start to reinforce the beliefs in manifestation. Remember that belief is a process and it might not happen overnight. So be patient with yourself, be kind to yourself, and stay consistent with your efforts. As you believe, or as your belief in the law of assumption grows, you're going to find that it's going to be a lot easier to manifest your desires a lot quicker. So good luck. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit the subscribe button and watch all of the other videos that I have on the great laws such as assumption and manifestation, what have you. Please hit the subscribe button, but also hit the notification button that's right next to it. And that way you're going to stay in touch with all the daily videos that I'm creating just for you to keep you accountable and make this your best year yet. So with that, I am signing off, sending you lots and lots of love and blessings. Have a great day. Bye-bye.